Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. And in this video, we are going to solve a problem that is Codeforces contest problem, that is problem number B, card rig. And in this problem, the theory is this one. I will try to explain you in short. So the first line will contain T test cases, and second line will contain n number of cards, and third line will contain second line of test case will contain the number of cards of having different values, and then third line will contain a integer m, the number of shuffles of card, and the fourth line will contain the how many cards we have to shuffle. So basically what is in this problem, that we are given some cards, we have to shuffle that cards, and after m shuffles we have to tell that what is the topmost card of that. Okay, this is theory. This is to confuse you guys. So I will just try to explain it with a test case. So let me take a test case like this is a test case. More of the test case is the way to explain. We are having this test case. It is n number of test cards, and it is m, that is number of shuffles, and this is the total number of cards which are shuffled in per shuffle. Okay, so for it I will make an array. Okay, and in this we are having four elements, so one, two, and four. Okay, so the first element is 3, 4, sorry, 1, 4, and 2. Okay, so what is the explanation of this code, that we have to, like I am telling you that how to solve this question. So we are having m shuffles. We are going to do two shuffles, and in the first shuffle we move three cards, and in the second shuffle we move one card. So let me do it with this. So at the first we will move three cards. We will move three cards to the back, so our array will look like, first of all, let me copy and this is first shuffle, this is second shuffle. Okay, so in the first shuffle we will move three cards to the back. So in the first shuffle we will move three cards to the back. So I'm sorry. So in the first shuffle we will move three cards to the back. So when I move three cards to the back, then it will look like I will move three here, and then it will be moved to, sorry, we'll just draw here. When we will move three card at the end, then it will look like 3, 1, and 4, and our 2 will become here. Okay, and our 2 will become here, and in the another move we will move one card only. So I will move one card at the end, so 2 will be again here, and then this will become again here. So our array will look like again this. So now we have to tell the top card. So this is our top card. Okay, so we have to tell this card. So the naive approach for this is using Q. So how we can use Q in this, let me tell you. So like this is our Q, this is our Q, and after shuffling this is our Q, and after shuffling this is our Q. Okay. Let me just make it here so that it is easy to explain you. So initially RQ is look like this. Initially as RQ was this 3, 4, 3, 1, 4, and 2. So at the first we will the how many card we have to move. We have to move three cards. So what we will do, we will push first, we will pop first three card and it we will move at the end. So when I will push, when I will I will push, I will pop this element at and push it at the end, so it will be 3. Then I will pop it, then I will push for second element, and then I will pop second element, takes this element and push it in the end, and I will pop it. Then I will take this element and push it at the end, then I will pop it, and the second element will be remain as same. Okay, it was first shuffle. In the second shuffle we will move only one card, so we will take this element and push it at the end, and I will pop it. So we have to move only one card, so our array will be look like this. So the bottom of the queue will be top of the array, top of the card, so we will return this. So this is naive approach, but it will take n square complexity because we have to traverse this array to take the elements, and we will traverse this to move how many cards we have to push and pop. So it is done, it will be taking n square complexity. So the efficient approach is to update the top. So I will take an integer top, and it was initially at 0. Okay, so I will just take top. It is our 0th index, it is our 1 and 2, and this is our third. Okay, initially our top is at 0. Okay, so our top is at 0. So at first move, what will happen? We will take three cards and we will move at the end. So what will happen? Our top will become this. When I will take this three card and we will move this three card to the end, so our top will become this one. So what we will do? We will just add this move. So our top will be top plus 3. So top will come here. Okay, top will come here. Now we have to move one. So what we will do? We will do top is equal to top plus 1. So top plus 1 we become 4. But it is not, we are having only 4, we are having only 3 indexes. So what we will do? We have to move the top circularly. So our top will come here. Ideally our top will come, ideally our top should come at this point, because when we are moving this element at the end, so our the third element will become the top. So ideally it will come here, but it is coming here. So what we will do? If we will apply a condition, if our top is, let me write here, if top is greater than n minus 1, I mean the third is यहाँ पे हमारे पास तीन इंडेक्स है. अगर n minus 1 that is 3, 4 minus 1 that is 3, if it is greater than 3, then what we will do? We will make top is equal to top minus n. So what it will give us? Top is now 4 and n is equal to 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. That means the top will come at 0th index. Top will come at 0th index. So at 0th index R3 is present. So give it we will just directly run that array of top array of top. Okay, let me code it. So in the first line we are having integer n, and we will take c in n, and we are having number of different cards in this. What we will do? 4, and it is n. We will just take c of n, a of I. Okay, and in the second line we are having variable m and then is equal to m, and we will just take these elements. So I have to take a array for this, and I will just write cn m of I. Okay, now I will take an integer that is top. It was initially at 0. What we will do, we will run a loop for, and our top will become, so our count is here m, because we are going to this. So top will be top plus m of I, number of cards which are going to swap. But if a top is greater than n minus 1, then what we will do, we will top will be top minus n, as I explained in this paint. If our top is 4, then what we will do, we will update the top, that is 4 minus number, that is number of card, that is 0. So our top will, to make top circularly, we will minus the size if the top is greater than n minus 1. Okay, so now our top will be at the end, top will updated. Now I will just try to see out array of top. Now I will just take the test cases. I will take the test cases here, copy, and let me run it. Now it is giving 233, that is 233. So as I have submitted this question, that is accepted. At the first time what I was doing, I was doing it using queue, but it was giving me time limit exceeded. So I tried a new approach, and I would like to share this approach. If you like this approach, please share and subscribe my channel for more new approaches. And as you know that I am noob and I just start coding, so I will be progressing with you as I am recording my videos, and I will be uploading my videos on YouTube. Thank you guys.